In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ascendancy in Path of Exile 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I begin talking about the process of changing the Ascendancy, I want to make it very clear that you can only choose to ascend into an Ascendancy class that is part of your base class. For example, as a Ranger, you can choose to change from a Pathfinder to a Deadeye, but you cannot change to become a Ritualist, as that is a Huntress Ascendancy, for example. So you can only respect your Ascendancy, but not your base class. With that note out of the way that Ascendancy changing works is that it requires you to redo an essential trial. The difficulty of the required trial is based on how many Ascendancy passive points you have already unlocked on your current Ascendancy. So to respec your Ascendancy, you must complete the trial that would award you with the amount of Ascendancy passive points that you have already unlocked. By default, you will unlock your first 2 passive points upon completing the Act 2 quest, and by clearing the first floor of the trial of the Sekemas. You then unlock a further 2 extra passive points upon completing the Act 3 quest, the Trials of Chaos, by slaying the 4th trial boss in the Trial of Chaos. So typically you will finish the campaign with 4 out of 8 Ascendancy passive points, with the remaining 4 unlocked via non-quest entry and the completion of higher level trials. So to enter these trials, you will need something like the Jin Barrier tokens or Inscribed Ultimatum. So acquire these depending on how many points you have, and you will be allowed to respec. So know how many Ascendancy passive points you currently have, navigate your passive skill tree and check, find or trade a Jin Barrier or Inscribed Ultimatum with the correct area level and content equivalent to the total Ascendancy passive points that you currently have unlocked. So for example, if you have 6 out of 8, you will need a Jin Barrier of at least area level 60 with at least 3 floors, or an Inscribed Ultimatum of at least area level 65 with 10 trials. Once this is good, ensure that you have enough gold to respec your character Ascendancy passive points. So you will need a lot of gold on you, and after it is done, you enter the trial. Enter and complete the trial. Once it is completed, speak to the Trial Master or Palabala, and in here you will see the option to refund your passives. Now refund every single passive that you have acquired. Once you have removed all of them as needed, you can go ahead and apply the refunds. With this done, click on the Altar of Ascension, and in here you will see the option to change at the bottom. Because you have not used any of your Ascendancy points, you have the option to change your Ascendancy class. So choose it here and then choose your respec accordingly. So in short, you have to redo the trials, and you have to make sure that you are able to refund every single Ascendancy passive point that you currently have active. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, your subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.